Jason. We're here today doing another unboxing. Welcome back. Let's go with the Human Scale Unio Tech Mini. This is a 24-inch unit. So we have our brackets. Here's your basket, 24 inches long. It's got your Velcro loops, nice and stretchy. Get a lot in there. You got your mounting brackets and screws. They don't always come out so easily. Here's your two brackets. You've got the narrow edge and the wide edge. You can see here there's where it fits, the narrow side and the wide side. One goes there, one goes here. And they give you 4 screws, all nice and short, so you're not going to poke through the top of your desk and ruin your surface. Once you've got all your cables in, you make it nice and clean. You can put a power bar in there, get everything off the floor, no tripping hazards, and no spaghetti drooping from your desk, as we like to call it. And it's nice and tidy. This is a nice small basket. On the very large desk, you can actually put 2 baskets, so you can have one on this end, one on that end, especially when you've got a monitor arm and your clamp is in the center. This is always nice to have 2 baskets. Then you can have your basket further back. If there's no space under the desk, this is always a nice handy one. Let me show you the difference between the others. Here's our other one that we demonstrated in our last video. This is our 38-inch model, and there's the 24-inch model. And these are Human Scale products. We're not sponsored by Human Scale. This is our own little video that we use a lot of this product, and we really like the product. It's been very successful for us. Clients like it, and it looks great. So this is the black 38-inch Unio Tech. We've got one in another color that I'm going to unbox for you. And here it is. Let's see what color it is. So there's some gray, silver gray brackets with some screws. And there it is. Oh, nice. So this is a gray, nice and pretty, nice fabric. Got your Velcro loops, your brackets, and there is your gray one. So this is 2 out of 4 colors. I don't have the other 2 colors, but it gives you options for your desk. If you've got a black desk, if you've got a black basket, if you've got a white desk, there is a pearl, but you can also go with the black or the gray, depending on what other things in your office. If your chair is black, you can go with the black. Usually your furniture guys or your designers will help you choose that and get this type of product. So typically when clients are buying this type of stuff, it's when they're moving into a new space and they've bought new furniture. Sometimes they take their existing furniture and add this onto their furniture, or just when they're doing a move into a new space and they've got different furniture, this can be added on. We've actually used these on thousands of workstations, whether it's cubicles, executive offices, all different styles, different lengths, different colors. We love this product. If you like the products that I've shown you, call the number under here, and we can talk about the right cable management solution for your office. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing.